I walked slowly through the woodland surrounded by flowers, trees, and birds singing. The weather was perfect, the air was pure, and everything around me whispered beauty. In that moment, I stopped and I thought to myself, if this creation is so beautiful, then how beautiful must be the creator. Alhamdulillah for everything. To everyone watching this, I have a message. Love one another, forgive often, live in peace. Life is too short to waste on hate or anger. We are all part of the same human family, under one sky, created by one Lord.